Hi guys, welcome to Simple Homebrew. I'm Pierre. If you haven't seen this channel before, I do extract brewing, all grain brewing, unboxings and taste testing. Now I'm not a connoisseur and I'm not a professional brewer and I'm not anywhere near brilliant at what I do, but sometimes I am entertaining to watch. So if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. You won't regret it. So without further ado, I'm here to talk to you about a new series that I want to do on My Brew Shed. The series will start with me conceiving, getting the idea and construction of the brew shed, where I get it from, how much it's going to cost and all this other stuff. Also, how I did it, where I got the money from, everything. I'm not going to lie about any of it. I also am going to talk about how I set it up, how I changed it, insulated it, and all those little bits and pieces that I had to do. But I'm going to document them in probably about 10-minute videos every time, and they're going to be uploaded once a week on a Wednesday. So every Wednesday you'll see a new video come that's documenting every different aspect on building this little shed. Now I do have a Patreon account, and if you're interested in seeing these videos of 2 or 3 days, maybe 4 days before they go live, sign up on Patreon. You'll get exclusive early access to these videos. I have one video I have made already for this brew shed. It is already on Patreon, and if you want to see it, jump on, have a look. So to summarise, I'm doing a My Brew Shed series, tongue twister, and I hope you enjoy them. The first episode should be released in about 2 weeks' time, I hope, or even one, maybe two, probably 2 weeks' time. We'll see. Anyway, stick around, guys. There's more to come.